It's time for mic check.
Okay, we practiced it, okay? Everybody was Kung Fu Fighting.
They clap for us. They clap for you. They all clap for Ola.
Really? Really?
Yes.
I didn't notice that
It's
shit.
Kiss fans.
BV off Ezreal. Ezreal
Look
is
at
the only one.
if he ults.
I will look out for that.
Alright.
Heal,
Stop. Okay, go. Good job, guys. Good job. Now go top.
Oh, I go first.
I still.
Cannon. Help me.
Kill set.
Nice.
Cannon.
Rek'Sai.
Nice.
Yeah. Go Baron. Go Baron.
Don't chase.
I know. Nice.
I steal the Smite King.
Really nice smite.
I steal the Smite King, guys.
Please, God of Smite, please.
You have no smile?
No, I have two. Okay. I have two still of Smite.
It's okay.
It's okay. We trust you, Raj. We trust you. Okay. This time, please. Take him.
Nice. Shoot in 2 seconds. Go Pinoy! No!
Go mid.
Pinoy, life steal.
Boy, what are you saying when you picked up your shoes?
These shoes are so comfortable.
Damn it, Sushi. You gotta try them.
No, just end it. I'll take. I'm real tanky.
40 seconds.
40
seconds. Bottom one.
Watch out. Don't die. Don't take too much.
Jarvan.
End the game.
End the game.
Turn. 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
End the game.
End the game.
Yeah, baby!
Oh my God.
Yeah!
So we may not be as loud in North America in the mic checks, but we throw our shoes around and we're loud after the games.
Yeah, I also love at the end of that teammate game, it's like, be careful, don't tank the Nexus turret, as Calitroll is just running into the Nexus turret well before minions of the team were ready for it.
And then Porpoise, they were taking turns, ring around the rosy. But now